It's the smell that hits you first. Warm, salty, and golden. You walk past the organic kale and the expensive steaks straight to the back of the store. There it is, a whole roasted bird for just $4.99. In a world of rising prices, this feels like a miracle. But have you ever wondered, how is this even possible? Why is a cooked chicken cheaper than a raw one? The truth isn't just about food, it's a psychological trap. Long before it was a supermarket staple, the rotisserie was a symbol of royalty. In the 1920s, it hit the streets of Paris, but it wasn't until the 1990s that America truly became obsessed. People think these chickens are leftovers that didn't sell raw. That's myth number one. The truth? These birds are raised specifically for the spit. They are smaller, younger, and bred for maximum tenderness. And that salty taste, it's not just seasoning, it's a precision-engineered saltwater injection. Behind the $4.99 price tag lies a boardroom battle. For retailers, it's not about profit, it's about a sacrifice. In the 90s, Boston Market changed the game, making the rotisserie a household hero. But it nearly cost them everything. Then came the giants. Costco and Walmart realized something brilliant and terrifying. They lose millions of dollars every year keeping that chicken at $5. Why? Because they want your soul and your cart. It's called a loss leader. They lose money on the bird, but they win when you buy the $10 sides, the $20 wine, and the $100 groceries. What started as a quick Sunday dinner has evolved into a global culinary chameleon. In America, it's the ultimate life hack. We don't just eat it whole anymore. We shred it, dice it, and transform it. From the creamy buffalo chicken dips at Super Bowl parties to the comforting chicken noodle soups on a rainy day. It has crossed borders, finding its way into tacos, enchiladas, and even high-end fusion salads. It's the blank canvas of the culinary world, adapting to every kitchen it enters. But under that golden, crispy skin lies a complex truth that health experts warn about. To keep them juicy for hours under heat lamps, these chickens are pumped with massive amounts of sodium. One serving can contain nearly half of your daily salt limit. For your heart, that $5 bargain might come at a higher cost. Then there's the environmental price. To meet the demand for millions of birds, industrial farming is pushed to the absolute limit. It's a cycle of mass production that keeps the price low, but raises questions about animal welfare and sustainability. But the story doesn't end at the supermarket deli. The rotisserie is having a high-end makeover. Michelin star chefs are reclaiming the spit, using organic, heritage breed birds and exotic hardwoods for smoke. In cities like New York and Los Angeles, gourmet rotisseries are the new trend, serving birds seasoned with truffle, lemongrass, or peri-peri. It's no longer just cheap food, it's becoming a craft. Even the humble leftovers are getting a glow-up, with influencers turning a $5 bird into $50 viral meals. As we look to the future, the rotisserie is moving from the farm to the laboratory. Imagine a world where your $5 chicken is grown from cells without a single bird ever being raised in a cage. Tech startups are already working on automated rotisseries, robotic kiosks that cook and serve 24/7 with zero human contact. Will it still be the same comfort food, or will the soul of the dish vanish in the name of efficiency? One thing is certain, our hunger for the perfect roast is eternal. The technology changes, but the craving remains. So the next time you follow that irresistible scent to the back of the store, remember, that $4.99 bird is more than just a meal. It's a masterpiece of marketing and a symbol of our modern world. It's a bargain for your wallet, a trap for your shopping cart, and a challenge for your health. But despite the salt, the science, and the secrets, we just can't say no to that golden, crispy skin. What's your favorite way to use a rotisserie chicken? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into the food you love, hit subscribe. We're just getting started.